Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change language here in Stripe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Stripe, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the language in Stripe is a straightforward process and can be done through your Stripe dashboard. Now, depending on how you set up your Stripe account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the profile option. I want you to click on it and just hover down below, and as you can see, this is where you want to select a preferred language for your dashboard, including date, time, and number formatting. Now, in my case, I am working with multiple freelancers in our Deep Laughs channel. You see that we are a group of individuals. One is responsible for creating the amazing thumbnails here, one is recording the video, and one is doing all the back end of our channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications on our latest content, because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. Now, some of our teams are more proficient in a different language, so if that applies to your team as well, changing the language can improve the efficiency of your interactions with the Stripe support. As you can see right now, it's auto detect, and you can select the local language that everyone on the team can understand, so that if they wanted to access documentation and support in their preferred language, it can provide more relevant and helpful information. For example, in this is going to be Japanese and this is going to be like Chinese. I'm not really sure. All right. But of course, we're sticking to the English right now, or auto detect is good. Now, for businesses with international customer base, offering Stripe checkout in different languages can make the payment process more user-friendly and increase conversion rates. If in case you are having problems changing your language here on your Stripe account, you might want to click on the help section, click the support center, click the view support articles, and from here we need to contact the 24/7 help support. All right. And from here, might want to type in your questions to see an answer. Otherwise, click the contact sales. You might want to send them a message telling them you are having problems changing your language here on your Stripe account, and one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.